Hi, boys and girls. We're going to get ready for vocabulary, Unit 3, Week 6, Day 3. And today we're going to be talking about commas. We know about different types of punctuation for ending sentences, like periods and question marks. Today, we will explore another type of punctuation, a comma. When you read something with a comma, it signals you to pause, like a line break in a poem. Look here, I've written the date. A comma comes after the date and before the year. You're probably used to seeing commas in the date. Let's read the date together, pausing when we get to the comma. March 25th, 2020. Excellent. When we read something with a comma, we pause. It's not a full stop like with a period, but rather just a little pause. Another way we use commas is when we are writing a list or a series of things. Let's take a look at a few pages from Before We Eat, From Farm to Table. They plowed the ground and planted seeds, tended fields, removed the weeds. This is what this sentence looks like all together. Let's read it again, noticing the pauses. They plowed the ground and planted seeds, tended fields, removed the weeds. The comma in this sentence helps separate the different kinds of work people did to grow food plants. They allow us to concentrate a little more on each phrase. Let's look at one more example. They grazed the cattle, fed the sows, gathered eggs, and milked the cows. This is what the sentence looks like all together. Let's read it again, noticing the comma and pauses. They grazed the cattle, fed the sows, gathered eggs, and milked the cows. Today, we explored how commas are used in dates and to separate words and phrases in a list. We learned that commas are punctuation marks that tell the reader to pause. Tomorrow, we will continue to explore and use commas.